In WhatsApp, we often upload status updates. When you're uploading a status to WhatsApp, you can set it to automatically share as your Facebook story too. To do this, you'll need to change one setting. Once that's done, your WhatsApp status will automatically post as your Facebook story as well. Anyway, in this video, we'll show you how to do that. First, open the WhatsApp application. After that, you'll see 3 dots at the top. Tap on those 3 dots. When you do, you'll find a Settings option. Tap on Settings. Then, you'll see a Privacy option. Tap on Privacy. From there, you'll see a Status option. Tap on Status. Once you tap on that, you'll notice an option for Facebook Story. By default, it's turned off. If you wanted to share your WhatsApp status as your Facebook story too, just turn it on. But here's the catch: your WhatsApp account and Facebook account need to be connected in the Account Center. If they're not connected in the Account Center, when you try to turn this on, you'll be taken to the Account Center page. Just tap the Next button and add your Facebook account. After that, your WhatsApp and Facebook accounts will be linked. If you're feeling confused, we've made a video before about how to link accounts in the Account Center. That video's link is in the description. You can check out that video to set it up if you need to. Anyway, once it's turned on, your WhatsApp status will also be shared as your Facebook story. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.